Have you ever heard about brain drain? Brain drain. People are leaving our country. Educated people are leaving our country. So would you like to discuss about this, or have you decided something else?
Yeah, today I will take your interview.
Okay, my interview. Can you take it?
Yeah. And that boy asked a question, who's your favorite actor? So I want to ask, who's your favorite actor? So sir favorite actress is Katrina Kaif. My favorite actress is Jacqueline Fernandez. And what about you?
Actually, I would like to tell you means I know few of the actresses. I don't know the name of the actresses. Okay. I think beauty can help me out in this. Okay, Jacqueline Fernandez can be the best actress. Okay, Jacqueline, I don't know about the acting and all. With Jacqueline Fernandez, I have seen, so she is my best actress. Okay.
Okay. So one thing, when I come to this stage, my heartbeat get increased. Means I think I can't speak English here. But how can I away this fear?
Actually, you can kill your fear by practice only. This is the only thing which can help you. If you practice more, then you will not feel nervous at all. Okay? You were sitting there was no problem at all. And the moment you have come here, you are feeling nervous. And I would like to tell you, nervousness and fear are very natural things. It happens they happen with everybody. If you have a fear, if you have a nervousness, it means there is a scope of improvement. And improvement happens when you practice. So practice is the only way to get rid of all these problems.
But we don't have a stage in our home. So that's the reason we can't practice a lot.
Actually, I would like to tell you, Swami Vivekananda ji went to America and he was a very shy person. He did not want to speak on stage. But the moment he was called, he went on the stage and spoke continuously for hours and he spoke fantastically. Everybody praised him. Everybody praised him. It is all about practice. If you have practice, if you do practice, then nobody can make you uncomfortable. Even your heart, even your mind can also not make you uncomfortable. Suppose you have prepared for exam very well, okay, and you are feeling nervous, but you have got content in you. You have knowledge about the exam. Then in the beginning of the exam, you will feel nervous, but after that you will be calm and easy. And at the end, there will be a charm on your face of success. So you feel nervous when there is a shortage of practice.
Yeah, got it. I think you are right. Practice is more important than for anything. But I personally believe if we have a fear of anything, so we must do more and more time because that's the thing we can away our fear. Until we face fear, how can we improve from of fear? So this is the thing. Yeah, I want to ask one question. What was your happiest moment in your life and the worst moment in your life? And how did you emerge from your worst moment?
There are the things which I cannot describe or which I cannot tell from the stage. So there was a worst situation in my life, but my parents helped me a lot that time. My friends helped me a lot that time. That's why I came over all those problems.
Yeah. Here we can learn happiest and the worst moment has passed. So both will pass. So we don't need to worry about more and more. What happened in the happiest time, in the worst moment time, we are happy a lot or we are in sorrow a lot. So we must think both moment will go one way.
Definitely.
So my next question is, we were discussing in our class, so it was a discussion about there's no hard kind of things. People say I am saying this thing from my heart. So we were discussing heart is not like this shape. Heart is like so there's no. So what do you think about this? I believe there is something. If someone say yeah I am saying this from my heart, so there is a pureness. There is nothing. There's no nothing selfishness.
Yes, means heart is an organ of our body. But if I say in software form, we have got mind. Okay, when somebody says I am speaking this or I am saying so from the depth of my heart, so somewhere they want to express means I am telling the reality, I am telling the truth. So it is a phrase which is used by people. So means mind, I think software is mind. And when you want to realize the intensification of something, so then you say I am saying this from the depth of my heart. But you are using only a phrase. Means I also believe that mind and heart is there. But heart means is a phrase which want to assure you about my words.
I think you are right, but I personally believe in when we love most and that person in front of us, our heartbeat get increased. And same kind of thing is we are going through in worst moment. Sometimes we feel heaviness in our heart, but we don't have any disease. So there may be something
Yeah.
that needs to be discovered.
Yes. Yes. No doubt. Means there is always a scope for the improvement and the discovery also.
So my next question is, there are some good people in our society. They believe we should not get married, but I personally believe if they get married, they will have a family member, so they can do a lot for society than right now they are doing. So what would you advise them?
Actually, we are the human beings. Today you are young, and tomorrow your age will grow. So, with the growing age, you need somebody to support. Okay?
Are you listening?
Means with the growing age, you need somebody to support. And this support comes from your partner. Suppose you are 35-year-old, your all friends are in job. Okay? So they will be busy in their life. There is nobody to talk to you. You call them, they will not pick.
Sorry to interrupt. Yeah, I asked same question. So he told me, yeah, there is a
Old age home.
old age home. We can survive over there.
No, it is a survival only. There are two things, living and survival. We want to live, not survive. Survival is done by the animals also. We don't want to survive only, we want to live and enjoy. And my dear friends, those people who say means we should not go for this institution, we should not get married, somewhere they are escaping or they want to escape from their responsibilities. For the marriage, for the happy marriage life, you have to earn a lot. You have to work very hard. You have to devote a lot of time to your family. So for striking this balance, you have to labor. You have to labor. When people are unable to do so, so they start cursing this institution. And apart from it, your luck also work. If your wife is good, then everything will be fine. If she is not, then you will have to be trouble.
Yeah, you just said if we are married people, so we have to earn a lot. But I don't think so. Because your priority should not be the money in your relationship. If it is there, you will be trapped and you will never be happy. So your priority must be means you must be there for each other in every time, in every situation. Sometimes I have seen in a family when they have a financial problem, people fight each other. But some family get together in this situation, in a worse situation. So they emerge quickly in the worst situation. So this is the biggest thing we should learn from in our life.
Okay, the last answer I would like to give you here. Lakshmi ji is the wife of Vishnu ji. Do you know the logic behind this?
No.
Vishnu ji would like to convey.
I think Vishnu ji is very smart and Lakshmi ji is beautiful.
Actually, here he would like to convey a message. A happy marriage life can't go without money. Are you getting? You are saying right. Right now you can not understand this. When you after the marriage, devotion is one thing, standing for each other is second thing, and working on Sunday is a third thing. Okay, working on even on Sunday is third thing, because beta, you have to earn your family, means quality time is important. Okay, you spend 7 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours with your son, but you don't have money to give him, or you don't have gifts to give your family members. They will not enjoy your company. They enjoy your company when you give them quality time, when you fulfill their demand. That's why Lakshmi ji is the wife of Vishnu ji. So this picture tells us Lakshmi ji is necessary for a good happy marriage.
Yeah, you are right. I just came to know why my mother always fight with my father.
Okay. So thank you very much. It was a very good discussion.